Can you knock down your blocks?
Woo!
Good job.
Good
Good
job!
job.
Oh,
You knocked them down.
here we go.
Yeah. Whoa.
He's not able to use both of his arms. He's using one to support himself. Oh no! Wait! Oh! They all fall down. You do it. Can you stand it up?
Build them. Can you build your blocks?
I want a video of her doing the video.
Oh, they fell down.
Do you want to get